In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Wix forms not working. If you've been facing issues with your Wix forms not functioning as expected, don't worry, you're not alone. Let's walk through a series of steps to help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. First, we'll begin by heading over to the Wix homepage. Open your preferred browser and navigate to wix.com. Logging into your account will be necessary to access the dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, locate the search bar within your Wix dashboard. This search feature is a powerful tool that can quickly guide you to the settings you need. In the search bar, type Forms and Submissions. Once you've typed in the key keywords, you'll notice the Forms and Submissions option appear. Clicking on this will direct you to the section where all your form-related settings are conveniently organized. Now, to proceed further, look for the More Actions button within the Forms and Submissions section. Clicking this will open up a menu with additional settings and options. Within this menu, you'll want to find and click on Form Settings. This will lead you into a deeper set of configurations where you'll have more control over how your forms behave. After entering the form settings, your next mission is to find Notifications and Automations. It's critical to ensure these settings are correctly configured, as they can significantly impact the performance of your forms. Once there, click on Automations. Automations are useful for setting actions that happen automatically based on specific triggers from your forms. Verify the conditions and actions set in your automations to troubleshoot any that might be causing disruptions. Next, turn your attention to the General Settings section. It's always a good practice to review these settings thoroughly. This includes checking for any overlooked configurations and ensuring everything is as it should be. Having reviewed the general settings, it's time to return to the Wix website editor. Navigate back and in the search editor, type in Form. This will help you locate various form elements that might need tweaking. Go ahead and click on Contact Form. This particular form is pivotal for many sites, and ensuring it functions correctly is essential for maintaining communication with your site visitors. Upon clicking, explore the different form options available. Choose the one that best suits your needs, ensuring its settings and functionality align with your site's purpose. Each form offers unique functionalities, and selecting one that complements your site's goals can make a substantial difference. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issues with your Wix forms. Addressing these potential problem areas will enhance user experience and ensure your forms work seamlessly. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy site building!